We've just acquired this Renault Clio. It's the 2 litre RS Auto, very rare car. It's finished in gleaming white with gloss black alloy wheels and the red calipers. It's got the full RS body styling kit, reverse park sensors and the larger rear diffuser with the twin exhausts. Absolutely looks fantastic and drives superb. Got the limited edition RS interior with the red seat belts, the bass reflex speaker system, front and rear electric windows, electric mirrors, front sport seats, paddle shift gearbox if you want, multifunction steering wheel. We've got the magic RS drive button there that tightens everything up and makes it a little bit quicker. Cruise control, satellite navigation, as I said, paddle shift on the gearbox there, air conditioning, and button there we've got the R-Link with the telephone Bluetooth. Sounds very nice too. DJH, we offer full dealer facilities, including finance and warranty packages and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.